I know she took up your space. But, you know, all right, let's see. No, she's trying to get down. Come on. Go in now. Come on. Go in. Go in. Go in. Come on. Get to know her. She's not that bad. Woo. Come on. Let go. Come here. Am I stressing you out? Ay. Am I stressing you out? You're spending the night with her whether you like it or not. I know. But you look at her. She's just chilling. She wants to be your friend. She wants to be your friend. Come on, should we try this again? Come on. Okay, look, I need to do things downstairs, and you guys have to get ready to go to bed anyway. Look, you have a nice little bedroom in here. Why don't you ask her to play with you? I'll revisit them in a little while. You gotta see the other one. She's just chilling. This one here, though, let's walk around to the other side. JoJo, hi. You're very comfy. You've got the king size bed there, buddy. Somebody's gonna end up down here. It's probably gonna be your sister Jina. Hi. Jina. Oh, baby. Go up there. Come on. She's not bad. No. Go up there. Oh, jeez. All right. As long as I don't hear any cat fights, we'll be okay. Good night, everybody. Good night, guys.